The Toyota Tacoma is a great all-around truck with unmatched versatility. With a 4-liter V6, it packs surprising power and 23 miles per gallon fuel efficiency into a compact package. Today, we're going to overview the installation of a Flowmaster 409S stainless steel exhaust system to increase power, performance, and sound. The Tacoma is one of Toyota's most popular trucks, but its V6 is badly in need of an upgraded exhaust. Today, we're going to be installing a Flowmaster American Thunder 409S stainless steel system, which includes a flanged inlet tube and Super 50 mufflers. We'll be showing you before and after sound comparisons so that you can see and hear the difference. And later, we will overview the installation so that you can install the Flowmaster 409S American Thunder system on your Tacoma. This American Thunder Catback Kit is for 2005 to 2010 Toyota Tacoma trucks with the stout 4-liter V6 engine. Manufactured using durable 409S stainless steel, the kit features a flanged inlet pipe that runs back into a Super 50 series muffler and dual 2.5-inch tailpipes. The pipes exit both sides behind the rear tires and are finished off with 3-inch diameter polished stainless steel Flowmaster tips. As an American Thunder system, it provides improved horsepower and torque, along with a moderate performance sound level both inside and outside the truck. Instructions and all the necessary hardware are included with the kit for an easy bolt-on installation. The best part is, not only did it increase performance, but our Tacoma got that great Flowmaster sound.